welcome to this week's vlog. So it's Sunday and it's normally a bit chill. There's nothing much to do. I'm going to make that banana egg that I mentioned in the last vlog because I think I have a bit of time today. I've not yet had breakfast, and on Sunday we have pancakes, what are the crepes and sausages. Just decided I want to bake right now so that I don't postpone it and end up not doing it. I'm going to prepare my ingredients, then I bake, because I know in the evening I might get busy because my parents are coming back home today, so they might call us to help them bring things to the house, which normally takes quite a bit of time, and again we normally get distracted. I've just added my butter and sugar, and I'm going to cream that until it's pale and fluffy.
Oh yeah, this could all be over. We're not okay. Shattered glass everywhere. Tears of rage. Waiting for the rain to stop and take my pain away. Why'd you have to be that mean? Why'd you do me that way? We should know that we won't be any better. Can't you see that we are drifting apart? I am through trying to hold us together. I just want it to stop, want it to stop. Smoke spirals off your cigarette. Door slammed to figure silhouettes. Is this over? Is this over? Is this over? Can this be over now? Is this over? Is this over? Is this over? Can this be over now? Baby, I surrender. I can't take it anymore. I don't want to remember. Just wanna let it all go. Waiting for a new day when I won't feel no pain. You will have to let me go so I can be myself again. We should know that we won't be any better now. Can't you see that we are drifting apart? I am through trying to hold us together. I just want it to stop, want it to stop. No. Smoke spirals off your cigarette. Door slammed to figure silhouette. Come on, say, is this over?
I had already prepared a tin before, so I'm just going to put my mixture in my tin and bake it. Then I'll decide if I want to do the salted caramel.
Is this over? Can this be over now? Say, is this
into the oven we go. So letting it bake for like 45 minutes, then I'll come check on it. think around the side. Ooh, okay. The caramel hardened, which is not so bad. Ooh. I'm supposed to write a shopping list so that I can go shop in the next 1 or 2 hours, because I have something else I want to do in the evening.
I shouldn't be standing with a heart that's so heavy. I shouldn't be up with all the weight that I carry. Don't know if it's right, but I'm sticking with you. You're my only vice, I'm dependent on you. Love's for the wicked, I know this shit too well. I talk, you don't listen, still I'm under your spell. I think I'm addicted to feeling bad as hell. I can just let you go. You're the one I wait for, even though I hate every time you leave me.
I'm making some chicken for my chicken Alfredo pasta.
우회전 taking a ride to Jonathan Lake 눈치 보면서 들어가야 할 때 찾아 나머진 바빠 개설레인 바
So this is the pasta that I'm using. I'll cook it according to the package instructions as I'm making my Alfredo sauce.
들어가야 해 어쩔 때에는 무작정 들이밀기만 하지만
your hand makes me tremble within.
First step is done, so I'm going to drain this, then I put my chicken there.
Here in my bed, never gonna be alone. 'Cause with you, I'm finally coming home. I wanna be with you always. 'Cause that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. You are my world in every place. It's the things that
Let's begin with a taste test. It's so good.